Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with some of the all-time best life and home hacks I've ever come across. These are all so good. They feel illegal to know. That's like the next level. I'm so excited about these. 60% of you who watch my videos aren't yet subscribed. There's a button you press and you'll just be notified of my new videos. And we're gonna actually start with two home hacks that I think are so genius and so cheap and easy to do. I'm willing to guess that we all have some sort of artwork on our walls. I get these cheap prints from Amazon. This one behind me, I think is from World Market, like $40. But when you look at them, you can kind of tell that they're cheap. But here's the trick, okay? You get $5 Mod Podge. You want to get the matte. First, you do a thin layer, let that dry. Then you come back and you do a thick layer in one direction of thick strokes. Then you're going to do a third layer and just kind of do random brush strokes. It texturizes the print and it makes it look like it was actually painted and not under $10. Next, this is a $3 hack. I also have the frame TV, which is something I invested in, and I love it because it's just so much nicer to look at than a big black box on your wall, right? But not everyone wants to spend so much money. I mean, they're thousands of dollars. So here is a little hack. You can get this metallic washi tape. It's literally like between $3 and $4. They have different finishes, whether you are bronze, silver, gold, whatever finish you like. And you just stick that right on the edge of your television. And then for the actual artwork part, I've shared many times before, you can go on YouTube. I have YouTube Premium. It's well worth it for me. And you can just put artwork for hours at a time without any ads. But just that edging of the washi tape makes it look like a frame. So random, but especially for the moms, okay? You guys know how much I love this pill organizer. If you take multiple supplements, you don't have to go and grab and store every single pill bottle. There's another use for it, and that is for your kids' snacks. You can use it as a portable snack dispenser container that's super cute and fun for your kids. So you could put like a couple little treats, sprinkles, Skittles, and then even healthier snacks, nuts in this cute little container. It fits in your bag. And then when your kid wants a snack, just makes it more fun, portable, convenient. I'm sure by this point, we all have our emotional support water bottles with us most of the time. We're all trying to drink more water, but how many of you are actually thoroughly cleaning this every day like they recommend? So a little hack that works so well and just makes my life so much easier. I saw this randomly actually on Reddit. You use denture tablets because not only does this clean, it disinfects and it uses the bubbles, the bubbling action to do a lot of that work for you. You just want to use warm water, not cold, not hot, warm water. Fill it up, put in your denture tablet. I put the lid on, shake it up, and then you want to use your little tools. Make sure you clean all of the rubber bits, but these are dirt cheap. They're so cheap. And you can also use this same concept for cleaning your washing machine. But for that, I'll use like 3 or 4 tablets. This one was from a random old man on TikTok that honestly, like, it should win a Nobel Prize. You know, when you get those items that are packaged in the most inconvenient way, like you don't just have to cut it open, you need some kind of a degree to open. There's a way you can open difficult packaging with nothing required. Take that in, not a knife, not scissors, not a box cutter. But what you do, okay, is you find a weak spot where it bends, then you vigorously fold it over on the weak spot and do this for about 60 seconds, and that generates heat and it gives it a weak enough spot that you can tear it open with your bare hand. Let's all process how our lives will never be the same. Did you know that for adult convenience, you can remove the childproof cap on most medication? Of course, it's there for a reason, so don't remove it if you have children that you don't want tampering with it. But if you're just an adult-only household, all you do, you just push off the outer part of the top, and then you just have a regular screw top. Now, it's not on all childproof bottles, but it is on most of them. If you want that increased accessibility, maybe you have arthritis or difficulty opening those types of bottles, now you can change it. If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe save and share the video. It really helps me out. It helps my channel. I appreciate it. To keep your avocados fresh, they all go ripe at the same time. I don't need 4 avocados in one day. And by the time I go to use the other ones, they're too mushy. So right when your avocados are at their peak ripeness, all you have to do, put them in the fridge. So simple. It might not even be considered a hack, but not everyone knows this. Not everyone does this, but it will keep them at that perfect ripeness for a few extra days. So for me, like 3 to 5 extra days. So it gives you more time to use them before they go bad. Okay, if you are a pineapple lover, this is a kitchen gadget, but I do want to just say it's my most used kitchen gadget of the moment. It is like a pineapple corkscrew. You just screw it into the bottom and it perfectly slices, gets every bit of pineapple meat out of that with minimal fuss. And that's kind of why I didn't eat pineapple for a long time, because they were a pain in the butt to cut. So this little tool, we use it all the time. Sweet potato cooking trick, because fun fact, sweet potatoes are the one and only somewhat healthy food that my son Carter will eat. And they normally take a long time to cook. So what you do is you get a paper towel, damp, wrap it around the sweet potato and put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And you have a perfectly cooked sweet potato. If it's a little larger, like this is a big guy, I would do 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It's so fast and it's just got that perfectly cooked center. And look, anything I can do to get my kids to eat more healthy foods, I'm going to do it. You can use the power of centrifugal force to get every last drop of not just your condiments, also your beauty product. If you're having a hard time, nothing's coming out, just pretend like you're a softball player and you're winding up. I mean, this is a full bottle of ketchup. Okay, I didn't have an empty one, but let's just pretend. But you just go like this, really do the full extension. And what we're doing is we're using centrifugal force, and it is pushing all the remaining towards the bottom so it will come out easier. And we're going to use that same trick on your natural nut butters. Now, if you followed me for years, you know keeping your nut butter stored upside down because it keeps the natural oils mixed. If you either don't do that or you did it and it's still not mixed enough, what you do is you take your nut butter, you spin it on the floor, spin it fast on the floor, and that centrifugal force again is going to combine the nut butter so it's nice and perfectly creamy and you don't have that layer of oil on the top. Another random home hack, if you have outdoor furniture that maybe has gone wet and there's that water staining on it, I have tried to clean my cushions so many times. I even used a pressure washer. Like I could not get this hard water staining off of my outdoor cushions. Well, you can use a magic eraser. Actually, I would say don't use a magic eraser. Get the generic ones from Amazon for a lot less and just use that and you can buff out the stains on your outdoor furniture. Instead of getting pimple patches, I go through those so fast and they're pretty pricey. Instead, all you need to do is get a hydrocolloid patch. Use this, cut it out as a little DIY pimple patch, and you get more bang for your buck. You can custom size it to whatever size pimple you have, and it's going to cost you a lot less money. Another alternative that apparently works better, I haven't tried this yet, so I'm going to try it live right now, is for your shampoos, lotions, if you want to get every single drop out in this economy, like let's use the things we have, right? You can use a massage gun and that vibration just gets every drop. So you don't have to cut open your lotion jars or get any special devices or gadgets. If you have one of those Theraguns or high pressure massage guns, try that. Otherwise, the first thing you can try that's a bit easier is the wind up technique. And it just helps get everything out. This one actually blew my mind. So in your car, there is a way to tell if your tail light is out. Like you don't just have to wait until hopefully somebody tells you or you get pulled over. The blinker sounds different. So if you go to like change lanes and your blinker sounds faster than normal, like faster than the other side, that's your car's way of telling you that your tail light is out. Don't forget to subscribe. And right now, right after this, I'm filming the video of how I save thousands of dollars a year and I have figured out how to do my own permanent hair extensions at home. Subscribe and look out for that video next. And please share and save this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you soon with a new video.